This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt out of yogurt. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 gallon of whole milk and about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live active cultures. The quality of your starter yogurt is crucial, as it provides the beneficial bacteria needed for fermentation. Using whole milk will give you a richer, more satisfying texture. This simple process allows you to continuously make fresh yogurt at home, saving money and reducing waste. Now, pour your milk into a clean pot and heat it slowly over medium heat. You want to bring the temperature up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. This step is vital for creating the perfect environment for your yogurt cultures. Stir the milk often to prevent it from sticking and burning. Once it reaches temperature, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your milk has cooled to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add the starter. Take a small amount of the warm milk and mix it thoroughly with your 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt in a separate bowl. This tempers the starter, preventing shock. Then, gently stir this mixture back into the main pot of milk. Transfer the inoculated milk to a clean jar and incubate it at a consistent temperature, ideally between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 12 hours. After incubation, your yogurt is ready. You'll notice it has thickened considerably. Carefully transfer it to the refrigerator and chill it for at least 4 hours. This cooling period helps it set even more and develops its full flavor. Your fresh, homemade yogurt can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 to 10 days. Remember to save a few tablespoons for your next batch. Check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.